Welcome back, everybody. Jet's got here, Scott Speed Shop, and Michael's putting my tools away. Hey, you pull that battery out of there. Don't you store it with that battery in there.
It was in the other one.
Well, it's because I was using it.
Not today, you wasn't.
I was using it last night, thank you. We gotta pull the battery out. You gonna use my tools, you gonna listen to me. You son of a bitch.
Put my shit back half the time.
Well, yeah, it's fair.
So I asked for it and stuff.
Well, you're not around to ask.
I have a phone.
Yeah, I'm not calling you. Half the time I call you like Chris Birdsong, you're taking a poop.
So?
Dad's out there looking cool on the lawnmower. But Michael brought old Hookers and Blow in, and well, there was no reason to film what he was doing. He was taking the shocks off, replacing those, trying to fix it with the ride, and fix some of the belts issues he's been having. I polished the scoop because it was looking all dingy. And well, what we're doing today is we're going to be going out to Dad's Hemi Charger that we built, which if you ain't watched that video series, I implore you to go check out that video series. It's like a whole build on that car. And for those of you who don't know, that's the car we built for Dad to emulate the car he had in high school, but with a Hemi, because every man needs a Hemi. But we got parts for Dad's car. We got him a reproduction fan shroud from Mopar Performance, because everybody says you need to have a fan shroud, even though it didn't help Jezebel. And when my buddy Alex was down, he noticed that Dad's fan, his clutch fan, was all wobbly. Bearings are shot in it. Well, I went through that issue with Jezebel with trying to find a fan clutch for her, and every fan clutch was either too deep, it wasn't right, so I put a solid fan on Jezebel. And virtually all the cars got solid fans now. And well, I couldn't find a solid fan reasonable fast for Dad, so we bought this guy from Jags. Big old heavy son of a gun, nice fan. And I went ahead and cleaned up one of my fan spacers. Hopefully this one will work for Dad and it's not too deep, because the shortest one I got. So that's what we're doing on the old Hemi Chargers. Replacing the fan, putting a shroud on it, and I'm sure some crap will come of that where we'll run into some issues, but get out of here. Oh, there was my spacer, my other spacer. That is actually my narrow spacer. So get all that laid out. What are you doing, Michael?
Throwing shit away.
Don't you be throwing stuff at me.
No flash guards on Hookers and Blow. I didn't feel like putting it back on.
Oh, there we go. We'll sell that, Michael. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're the inventor of the hand model. What?
Hand model. Oh, yeah. Hand model. See that? Hand model.
Let's sell this baby. It's a piece of Hookers and Blow. You know, we'll
Dirty
just...
hands and all.
There you go.
Factory splash guard from 1984.
From the famous Hookers and Blow truck.
$2,000. It could be yours.
2 payments of 2,000. Because I got to make a commission, you know.
No, it'd be 2 payments of $999.99.
Who taught you how to do math?
No, I went to school in Ottawa.
Oh, that's true. So I guess we'll just wait for Dad to get done playing with the lawnmower, and then we'll get to go have fun on it. On the Charger, that is, not on the lawnmower. Oh crap, I almost forgot, Michael. This helmet won't fit our big heads. I know it'll fit your little baby head.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Come on.
I don't think it'll fit.
It'll fit. It might grab your earrings, but I don't know why you have earrings.
I don't think it'll fit.
It'll fit. Look at that head on camera. God dang, Michael.
Freshly haircut too.
Ooh. It fits. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at how cool you look.
Where this drag racing? You think
There
it's
you go.
approved?
Well, it's DOT approved. Everybody says my racing helmet I bought's just too much. It's overkill.
Yeah.
I mean, there you go. I have a red one I think is about the same size too. And
But that's going to be orange eventually.
that's true. All right, well, I got that on video now. All right, now let's go wait for Dad.
Ready.
You gonna try to put on that little sun beach, Dad?
You know, it's pretty dangerous.
Well, gotta have safety. Oh, shoot, that fits Dad pretty good.
Shit, yeah. Safety first.
Oh, and we can't forget, Dad. Here. Yep, there you go. Now you look proper. Now you look proper.
Now let's go put the car cover on.
Yeah. All right, let's uncover this bad boy, Dad.
About diggity dang time.
Nobody needs a tripod when you got a trusty dusty 66 dart. You got all your stuff?
I haven't got any stuff yet.
You ain't got any of your stuff?
Oh, I got hood pins.
You said you were all ready. So I broke out the camera. You ain't even close to being ready. What do you want me to do? Start this up for you?
I'm all kinds of ready. No, I ain't starting it.
Oh, you're working out here?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
What's wrong out here?
Oh, it's away from the tools.
Got a whole truck full of tools over there.
Yeah, that's got some wobble to it.
Yeah, yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah.
Half inch. This hose over the top of the shroud.
What happened to the paint on here?
Oh, I was going to tell you about that.
What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing. It bubbled up over the winter time.
What the heck?
Cold winter.
Wow.
I forgot to tell you about that.
That looks like crap. I have to take that off and repaint that.
And they're all down.
Man.
Yeah, I don't know why. Would it be that severe cold weather?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on
It
there.
was like that when I started it the other day.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally,
It had to be something to do with that cold.
yeah, it's just flaking right off. I mean, everything was prepped really good. I don't know. Oh, shoot.
Maybe.
Well, let's get all of our stuff out here and get to work. What? That was the wrong time to turn on the camera. You licked what?
Little suction cups on the...
No, never mind.
Where'd you do my wrench?
I put them over here on the little work table I was showing everybody we got set up.
It'll work too.
Now you're gonna probably work on that side.
I was going to take the home there with me.
That'd be good. I mean, it's all pretty standard stuff. So, I'll set up the tripod, and then we don't have to sit here and film a bunch of useless crap. And now we start the long, arduous task of slowly taking these off.
Come on, man, you get screwed up. Goat head, the other way.
Well, you had them set up the wrong direction in the first place.
Yeah. Dad,
Yeah.
master mechanic.
Test.
Now we're gonna record. We're in widescreen now. Trying to get a little bit more of Michael in the shot.
Yeah?
I like my job right now. I should probably go ahead and take that air cleaner off and repaint it. But...
Allen wrench is in the console.
yeah, I'll probably.
It's upside down.
It is upside down.
You son of a bitch. You was waiting for me to get it in there.
Your mounting holes are gonna be way off anyway.
I hope not.
They are. Oh, I don't know. Top and bottom, I think will be okay.
Yeah.
Too wide.
Hitting the hose.
You're too wide.
And it's not much of a shrub because it's leaving all this open space.
It's too wide. About,
Here, flip it around. Turn around the other way.
about that too much wide.
Turn it around, Michael.
Let me try it.
Yeah, turn it around. Turn it around.
Then your hole over here is gonna be wrong for your hose.
The fact that Dad's even trying it the other direction is hilarious. All right, well, we'll send
That's a lot
that.
better here.
Yeah, it fits better that way. All right, we're sending it back. Sorry, Rob. I like to make sure your depth is going to be halfway correct.
Glad you painted it.
Yeah, I'm glad I painted it too, just for you to scratch the shit out of it.
Well, let's put this on. See, it turns, everything turns to the back. It's basically maybe a ½ inch sticking out the front.
It might be okay. Oh, no, there it is again. Oh, that'll be fine.
Be further away than that fan clutch was.
Yeah. I mean, we could probably go to the deeper one if you wanted to.
I'm good there. Hold on to that.
Might be kind of a son of a bitch to put your hand in there to get the bolts going.
Yeah, it's a lot easier when the radiator's out. Much easier.
You have to put them bolts in there. And...
Yep, not lose them.
Yeah, I'd say that's sharp.
Dude, stop cutting yourself. Dang. I like it. I mean, I really like it.
Looks good.
I kind of wish they had a shroud, just for simple reason that sucker is so sharp.
Yeah.
We could make one out of belting real quick.
We could make one.
Take them gaskets off the air cleaner. We'll see what she sounds like.
Right back. Already did, give her hell. Cold-blooded. We need to tighten that fan belt just a little bit more. That alternator. No, it's kind of loose on the bottom. Yeah, it's got some. You just can't beat that sound. You just can't. Good sound.
Get that on camera?
No.
Get thinner?
Hey. I like it. I might just buy me one of them for Jezebel. I don't care how much horsepower they eat. It looks like it works good.
And if they flatten out, they can't eat that much.
Yeah. That's a lot of fan, that's a lot of movement. Yeah. Where's that cut at, Michael?
Which one? I got that one. I got one that's like a paper cut right there
Ooh.
that won't quit bleeding.
That looks painful. Well, I guess I just got to fix your air cleaner now.
Pads I can put on here.
Yeah, I got some spare car pads we'll throw on there. Oh, there's the ladybug. Don't be shy, ladybug. So yeah, all we gotta do now is 4-speed swap this bad girl. That'll be fun. That'll be a lot of fun. Oh yeah. Dad's got severe old man syndrome. He's big on quiet. That's much better. That's a lot better. That's a whole lot better. You and your old man quiet exhaust. That's when I drive this thing, that's all it sounds like. It's the only way to drive it.
Sometimes you just want to cruise.
That is cruising. You gotta wake up the neighbors. Now it's suitable for an old man. Nice car cover, or fender cover, tire cover, whatever you want to call it.
We use it, we got it, we'll use it.
That's true.
Sounds pretty radical.
Yeah, got a good sound to it, that can. Well, I think that's going to about do it. We don't got anything else we're going to do.
Oh, Dad, I got a lot of things to do. But
Yeah, we got. I think that's going to about do it for old Hemi Charger. So, well, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Look forward to seeing the next one. As always, take care. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wow, you're dark, Michael. The sun's in your face.
It's behind me.
Michael got injured.
Oh, take your hat off, Michael. That'll help. Ah! I forgot to mention, it smells very heavily of aftershave. Thanks, Rob.
Bye-bye.